Ciao!
Hey guys, what's up? It's Shay Vlogs. Welcome to a new vlog. Today I'm gonna be unboxing iPhone 11 Pro Max. So usually we have two iPhone 11s. One is silver and one is gold. So here it is. As you can see, it has 3 cameras. And right here, there's an Apple sign. And here as well, it says iPhone here. And right here, it's a sign. And in the back, it's got this. And also, guys, this is 64 BG. And right here, it just tells you something about this phone. So I'll read about a sentence to you guys. iPhone 11 Pro Max earbud. It includes earbuds, lightning connector, USB-C to lightning cable, and USB-C power adapter. Open this phone up. Oh, okay. Oh my god. 3, 2, 1. Surprise. Oh my god. Surprise. 3 cameras here. Oh, it's gold. I like gold. Seriously. Oh my god. So as you can see, this is the iPhone 11. As you can see, it has 3 cameras. And it has a flashlight here. And also, guys, this phone, it has 3 cameras. One camera, it's so normal. One, it's zoomed in 2 times. And one, it's wide. It shows the picture or video wide. You know how when you're looking at something, then it's wide up. And this is the flashlight right here, as you can see. So yeah, 3 cameras. It's amazing. Also, there's a new USB port. First, it was big. Now it's look how small it is. It can easily fit in. So yeah, it's a new USB port. Also, guys, I'm gonna tell you something cool, amazing. There's something cool about iPhone 11 Pro Max. So look, you see since the charger's big, right? So it can charge 2 times as faster than the old one. So within 30 minutes, it's gonna be at least 50% charged. Alright guys, let me open the screen for you. Okay, so let me tell y'all something amazing, coolest thing about this screen. This phone has a super retina display. All the phones, they had a retina display, but except this one, it has a super. That's the main word. Super retina display. Alright guys, I'll set up the data for this phone. So I'm gonna set up my phone, and then when it's ready, then I'll come back to show you what's really in this phone. Alright guys, now the phone is all set up now. I put it in this nice little leather case, and I put a screen protector so the screen doesn't break or something like that. And as you can see, the back 3 cameras, they still show. And let me show you how each camera looks. Okay, so let's go to cameras. Okay, now look. So here's normal. Here's a normal vision. Look, this is wide when you want to see more things. This is wide. This is normal. This is zoomed in like a telescope. Yeah. So yeah, this phone, there are 3 cameras. If you slide up, there's tons of things. There's tons of options you have. So this is for lightning. And this was to open the light. This is night mode, and if you guys want to know what all these stuff mean, then let me know in the comments, and subscribe for more videos, and see you in the next vlog. Take it, peace.
Ciao!